Unlock the secrets of turning your passion for writing into a sustainable income stream with Substack's powerful monetization tools. Substack is more than just a newsletter platform. It's a powerful hub for creators to build and monetize their audience. Let's dive into how you can make money. The cornerstone of Substack monetization is subscriptions. You can offer free content to build your audience, and then introduce a paid tier for exclusive articles, in-depth guides, bonus content, or early access. Setting up your subscription tiers is straightforward. Decide on your pricing model, monthly or annual, and what value you'll deliver to your paid subscribers. Many successful creators offer a free newsletter to attract readers, and then use paid subscriptions for their premium content, creating a clear upgrade path. Beyond recurring subscriptions, Substack also allows for paid posts. This is perfect for one-off, high-value pieces of content like detailed reports, exclusive interviews, or deep dive analyses that your audience can purchase individually. This offers flexibility for both you and your readers. Think of paid posts as high-ticket items. You can offer them to everyone or only to your existing free subscribers, creating additional revenue opportunities without needing to retool your entire subscription model. But the monetization doesn't stop there. Many Substack creators leverage their platform to build an engaged community, which can then be monetized further. This might include offering paid community access, selling merchandise, hosting live Q&A sessions, or even offering consulting services to your dedicated audience. Your engaged subscriber base is incredibly valuable by understanding their needs and interests. You can creatively expand your offerings and build a truly sustainable creator business. Substack provides the tools to turn your writing passion into profit, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating valuable content for your community.